But
I'm selling tickets. Just bring your dog.
So happy. Oh my goodness. What are you?
Ella va bien.
Sit. Stay.
She's trying to swim. She's like, help me out. Help me out.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Daisy. Oh, Daisy.
There you go. What do you have on your bus? What does she have, Rox?
Oh, right there. Oh, that's the spot.
Oh my god.
Jake, you're going to the vet. You're not going for a walk. All of ice cream. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna get brain freeze, dude.
Oh, there goes him.
Bella, smile.
You want me to play with you? Right now?
Puppy for sale, because mine is broken. Stop. Oh, we talked about this. Stop. Oh my god! Who are you? No, sir. No. Chief, no. Oh, come on, I gotta leave. I gotta go out. You gotta go outside. Marley.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Alright, well, what do you think's gonna happen? He's not gonna hurt you.
We're gonna go in an hour, okay? An hour.
You're exercising too?
I said go lay down. It's bedtime.
Oreo.
I love you.
Oh my God, you're not gonna believe what just happened down here today. Come here, guys. Come here. Who did this? Who did this?
Coco, what are you doing? Coco.
It's just your shadow, Pogi. Pogi.
I could have sworn when you're trying to attack something or somebody, it's supposed to be like secretive.
What is it?
Who is that? Oh no!
Did you get your tail?
Did you actually get it?
Yeah, he got his tail. Why aren't you walking?
Teeth? Wanna brush teeth?
You're yelling at me. No. You're not yelling at mommy for the mac and cheese. Say I love you.
I heard. Wait.
What's up, Kiko? What are you doing?
You did all this garbage. That's what you're smiling about? Huh? Is that what you're smiling at?